Not okay. What not very many people know about me is that I happen to have Burmese roots. My great grandmother from my mother's side actually is Burmese. My grandfather was born in Rangoon, and walking into Sitara Studios and being part of Gaurav's exhibition of Burmese revolutionary art, for me is like revisiting my past and reclaiming my roots that I actually ignored really hugely in the last 40 years of my life. So I think that it takes Gaurav Yadav from Haryana to kind of go to Burma and to kind of feel so strongly for these people, connect with these artists and form a relationship with them, to be able to have them trust him enough to bring their best works back to India, to Mumbai, where someone like me can stand here in front of this gorgeous portrait and feel closer to home. So I think that more power to him and more power to Sitara for being able to host this. And I do hope that more people come out and actually read these fascinating stories behind all of these canvases, to understand that these people create art at great risk to their life. It's like when people in Afghanistan during the reign of the Taliban actually made films or held on to kind of archives of film footage. They did so at the cost of their lives. And we artists have the privilege of being able to think aloud, create aloud without having this kind of pall of death hang over our head. So I just feel nothing but humility, inspiration and great gratitude to Gaurav for being able to allow me to immerse myself in my roots. Thank you, and do come and watch.
Yes, sir.
Tuning into the hearts of the Burmese people through these paintings was one hell of an experience for me. Gaurav Yadav has done the impossible. He has travelled through Burma, touched the hearts of the people of that region, and expressed what he felt deeply through his paintings. Coming here and immersing yourself in these paintings has in a way transported me into the depths of the regions of the Burmese people, and one cannot but feel the turmoil that they are going through and the longing they feel to be a free nation. More power to people like Gaurav Yadav.
I'm Shagufta Rafiq. I'm a Bollywood writer. I write for Mr. Mahesh Bhatt and Pooja Bhatt movies. Such marvelous work. I'm so intimidated. I didn't know that there are people who are so connected to the reality and the political ups and downs and the pains that people have gone through, and they have actually brought that in painting this way. I don't know how to describe this. This is way beyond the way I can describe things. Which I'm just very heartbroken seeing this work. I'm just heartbroken, at a loss of words completely.
Your city market and sort of a statement against development, I guess, colonial architecture which is being taken over and replaced by cookie cutter mansions, Singapore, Hong Kong style. So this is sort of a statement on that, because art in the day is just a point of view, right? Point of view against development the wrong way, right? If you have really beautiful old colonial buildings which are being taken over by buildings which are very sort of western but very cookie cutter, very similar, exactly square boxes, glass boxes, which take away from the heritage of a place. Because early on the story of the city was told by the architecture, how the columns evolved. So it's British architecture, it's really old sort of buildings using sandstone, individual bricks, and now they're going a separate way. So this piece is a bit about that. Moving. Come, please. Just a beautiful night scene, like a pop art style, like a cartoon.
Let him go close on that.
Okay.
Take him through some 3-4 pieces of art which are
Meaningful.
different and diverse.
Exactly.
Because if he'll miss, then the guy who edits will not understand what he's clicked on.
Correct.
This one I told you about to be backward to look at it. Individually, that's your father. This person. This was one chart. One chart is this is about 10 paisa each note. लेकिन ये बंद कर दिया था. This note This was the lowest note. All the poor people had this. Can't touch them because your things might sometimes come off. This is individual pictures of your loss. If you close up,
Can you just give me a screen from here if you both can turn around and give me the same pose to get a good picture?
Really?
It will come well.
Standing.
Yeah, come close to it. Na?
Really? Screen.
Look at me. Just screen. Just give me a picture of that. I'll show you the visual. It gets printed, okay?
कैसे करेंगे screen? बताओ screen.
Go close to it. Na? Go into the frame. Come into the
But
frame.
you should see the screen also.
Yes, we'll see the
Can you
screen.
see the
Come
screen?
in. I can. Na? Come into the screen. Turn करो. Right now. थोड़ा right जाना. बस. Now just screen. करो ना उसके से. जल्दी कर. मुझसे बहुत हंस मत. दुखी है वो आदमी को. Let's go again. No. Both of you should do it together.
Okay.
मुझे तो बहुत हंस रहा है.
No, but I'll tell you the thing. This is quite a heavy painting, you know. So for us to make this, to have like the same bit of disrespect, yeah, look, you know, that's.
No, just do once. It's not
Screen.
like it. I know what will get printed. I just want you to get printed. Just do one frame.
Oh yeah.
हाँ.
I think he should do it, not me. I think he should.
Be in the frame with
Yeah.
me.
Okay. You scream, na? Come on. Shout, karo.
You do the same thing. No, now it's so nice. You also do now.
Okay. Ready?
Let's go.
Together.
Yeah, together.
Ready?
Mira.
Let's see. I don't know how good it'll come. No, I'll tell you the thing is, I understand. So screen नहीं करेंगे, but you know this I can.
Just move out a bit. Or else you come in a bit, maybe.
You come in a bit, no? You two out.
Me?
Yeah.
But let the guy come, no?
No, he's in the frame anyway. You will get the frame. This will get cut. You come in a bit inside, no?
Yeah?
Yeah.
ये नहीं दिखेगा फिर.
दिखेगा. आप आ जाओ.
Better?
Yeah. आराम से.
Better?
वो देना. उसके ऐसे बैठो. मुझे हंस मत और हाथ से चाबी निकाल.
चाबी किधर है?
ठीक है. ओके. मुझे मेडिटेट करना तो बस. हाथ ऐसे रखते हैं.
हाथ ऐसे.
उल्टा रखते हैं ना. वो.
Ready?
गिर जाएंगे.